Hello friends, this video is about the beauty of Kashid and its pure virgin beach. After taking the M2M ferry from Bhaukadhaka to Mandwa, we drove 18 kilometers to reach Alibaug. Do watch my video on this wonderful and noble journey. It is already on YouTube. The first thing we did on touching Alibaug was have some nice, cool, flavored lemonade soda. Ooh la la! This is Mumbai's way of refreshing the mood and rejuvenating health. Just nearby, we saw a small pond full of lotus leaves. Good place to try this beautiful machine. My younger one decided to pilot it. Still learning, and I am still tutoring. Oh, that's how the little thing looks. Flying backward. Going forward. Wait a minute, I am getting confused. Yep, confirmed, it is going backward. And here we go, beautiful Alibaug, quaint little town. Mumbai flocks to this small town during weekends. Got lots of beaches and plenty of places to spend weekend. Mostly you will find big houses in clusters. Other than that, there are fields, beaches, all sprinkled with fabulous homestays, villas and luxurious hotels. After another couple of hours of easy and slow driving, we reached Kashid. Guess what? It was afternoon, and we were awfully famished. We barged into the very first decent eating house we saw. Man, the food was simple, easy, and amazingly delicious. It was so tasty that there and then we decided to have our dinner and breakfast too at the same place. After having our fill, it was time to explore and feel the one and only one thing in Kashid: the beach. Kashid, Kashid, Kashid. Over the period of time, no matter how many times I had visited, it remains unchanged. It remains vast. It remains ever inviting. And yes, absolutely no crowd. Perfect place for someone seeking peace and solace in mind and body. This is how we found it. Mighty sun preparing itself to set for the day, throwing its magical orangish, yellowish light in everything. The beach was actually inviting everybody to enjoy it. Looks like my kids accepted this invitation wholeheartedly. The younger one was all into it. Elder one took some time, but finally he did it. I mean, what choice he has got? You see, sea and waves are are inviting. Enjoy. In no time, both of them were prancing, riding, jumping all over the waves. I mean, on one side you have Mumbai with its millions of people, and then just 3 hours from there you have place like this. Completely opposite and something which every man and woman want to enjoy. This is the best place to enjoy the beach, shore, and the waves. The sun was casting its final lights more strongly. I think our timing on the beach was perfect. The weather was cool, slight breezy, and high tides. Perfectly safe for fun and frolic. Meanwhile, Sami and Faro, two hardcore professionals busy in their city life, seemed to have found their own way of enjoyment. Strolling carelessly. The beach is wide and long and no one around. Perfect place for loitering. Perfect place to give that nasty mood a melancholic turn, a slight philosophical touch. I was observing both of them for a very long time. Finally, we bid adieu to the beach. I mean, for the evening. Time to find a place to stay overnight and some good rest. Next day, we were back again. Lots of sunlight, cool breeze. It opens up new possibilities. We had some wonderful onion pakoras and hot steamy chai right early in the morning. And after that, it was a time for the flying machine. Furrow decided to jog. I decided to catch him through the eyes and the sky. Look at the wide expanse of Kashid beach. It is always like that. Weekdays, weekends, actually any time of the year. Perfect place for couples and families to have some quality beach time. Look at the sweep of the waves. Yep, The foreshore of the beach is really quite wide, making it safe for beach lovers to play around in water. I love Kashid. Finally, as per our itinerary, it was time to visit Murud Janjira, but that in my next video. Stay tuned and subscribe. Hit that bell for immediate notification. Thank you.